that kind of city, and a lot of more T20I in this IDFC. There's a fielder there. There's a
Different bowler. But he's deep in his crease, he's helping it leg side, not the connection. Sampson goes cheaply for one.
Now there's a fielder there too. Jofra Archers
Hasn't faced Saqib Mahmood, hasn't even had a look. Asian, he's just abused that good form. At the moment has gone first ball, 12 for 2.
Now Kumar Yadav's gone without scoring.
As simple as you like, trying to hit it down the ground. Saqib Mahmood, Yadav goes without scoring, 12 for
swing.
That's on the air.
Spinner's delivery much slower, nearly, and this is what he has done with a quick arm action. A very fine innings.
Bounce. Rinku Singh can't get control of that bounce. Simple catch. But 30 from 26, 79 for 5.
This time he hasn't timed it too well. Make to the end score. Just taking the pace off the ball. And for a change, just losing his shot. Magnificent innings. 53.
In this time of the battle,
Right now it will go to the field.
that wicket, 180%.
They'll take the run. They'll take the run. They've got
Smart cricket, clever cricket.
What is the last one? Doesn't connect. Running like his life depends on it. The throw's coming to the strikers end, and it's a direct hit. 4 runs to win. Tilak Verma, a duck. Miss it.
Fuller, so you have to play with a straighter bat. He's happy with having played as well as he's played. Duckett goes for 39. He played wonderfully well.
And another wicket goes. It's a big one.
India got it. England had it. Phil Sott's got to go for 20.
Oh, taken!
Just Butler, have a look, there's that extra bounce, and that is what has got him 67 for 3, out of which Butler has contributed.
He's got
This is a tall, bustling fast bowler, and that's substitution. It's not like...
Plays it very fine,
Just the spin of Varun Chakravarti. And the progress, 9 for 5. But the
wants to go for a big shot. Rinku
he's
Singh.
looking for the big shot. It was the top of the bat, or the top end, and more the splice, not the big. Cast goes without scoring, 130.
In fact, the second delivery was 151.
Oh, played on! The wicket's being taken. And once shakes his head as he leaves the park, it's struck out. Doesn't
Get that for a moment. Not the smartest batting to win against England. 19 over.
Wonderfully, Arshdeep. The catch will be taken. It's game match for India. Come up ahead. They certainly have, and it's a series to India.